Beginning sounds are fun to find, fun to find, fun to find. Beginning sounds are fun to find, my fun friends.
I'm going to pick somebody's name. You listen for the beginning sound. Listen with your ears. Donna begins with
Da, da, da.
Good.
Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Donna begins with da, da, da. My fun friends.
Now comes the hard part. You knew that Donna's name starts with that beginning sound. One of these, I have a horse, and I have a dog. Which one begins with the d sound?
Dog.
Oh, yes, you got it. Dog
Begins with da, da, da. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. Dog begins with da, da, da. My fun friends.
Can you do one more today?
Yes.
All right, I have one more. You listen for it. Let's see. Beginning sounds are fun to find,
fun to find, fun to find. Beginning sounds are fun to find, my fun friends.
I'm going to pick one of your names. Hillary. Hillary begins with
Hillary begins with my fun friends.
Now you know Hillary's name really good, but I brought in two things again. I have a dog and I have a horse. Which one begins with the same beginning sound as Hillary?
Horse.
Yes!
Horse begins with Horse begins with my fun friends.
If your name begins with, you can go line up for the bathroom.
There we go.